Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that came by way of a Nakama Noodles box. Go to Miau, M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider to get yourself a nice little discount. Oh boy, this is Nissin sauce yakisoba. Standard yakisoba. However, it comes with a sipping soup, which is really weird. So we will make it so. Man, it's hot in here. Okay. Noodle. It's from Noodle Tray. Ah, it's so muggy. Good God, is it gross. I mean, granted, I'm in the kitchen boiling stuff, but it's really quite gross today. So I need 150 mils of water. That's what I need. Let's see. Yeah, this one's weird, folks. It comes with a soup. Where's my... There it is. I'm telling you right here. See this? A baby bottle, but it's got graduated milliliter amounts, and that's handy. Oh boy, is it handy. However, it's kind of hard to read. Good God, is it hard to read. Right there. Okay. Let's see, is that just right? I'm going with yeah. So the idea is that you put this and this one in something, and you give it a swizz, and then you got your sipping soup. Yeah. Let's do that. So I'm going to use this, pour it in here. Because I do have a vessel that I want to use for this, but I'm not positive as to if it will be large enough. So we are going to go. It mentions putting it in a mug, and I do have actually a Nissin cup noodles mug, but I really don't. No, it's got pens in it. That doesn't work very well. But I will use one of these. I'm going to use this right here. This is done. Okay. So I am going to pour this. That's fit. Let's give that a try real quick. It tastes like chicken broth. It's not amazing, not horrible. Oh, look at it out there. It's just gray and nasty. Thunderstorm is what we don't need right now. Alright. That is a frickin' boatload of yakisoba. So now what you do is you take this. I prefer it when yakisoba comes with a liquid base, but this one is actually pretty good as a powder. So we will dump sprank, 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 sprank. Alright. Yeah, I'm feeling like way overheated in here. I mean, if you really want to do this right, you would take this noodle, drop it in a skillet with some oil, fry it for a very short amount of time, add in your vegetables and pre-cooked meats, and you'd be set. This whole soup on the side thing is very popular in Taiwan. I've seen that on quite a few things. Wavy men, jajamen. That one has it. That's like the national, very popular one there. Okay. Smells like yakisoba. Let's give it a try. It's pretty good. It's very sweet. It's almost like, I don't know if that's a little different. It almost seems like it is. Oh, so I got stuff to put in this. Namely, chicken. I'm just gonna dump it on in and stir it in with it. I don't know how else I would do it. I guess there's different things one could do. I'm also what the hell? Here's our onion. Let's see how this ends up looking. I hope it looks good at the end. It's tricky to fold stuff into dry noodles because it ends up either in the middle, on the outside, or just all jacked up. But let's see what happens. Come on, get in there. You go in there. Go in the hole. Sorry. Okay. Now, what some of you might not realize is that there's something that is totally fine to add to yakisoba. And you might think, that's gross, Ramen Raider guy. But no, this is like, this yakisoba doesn't have it with it, which bums me out. But I will show you something cool. Who doesn't like a little bit of thick, luxuriant mayonnaise? I could say that all day long. There's our thick, luxuriant mayonnaise. So what I'm doing here, I got a Ziploc bag with some mayo in it. Why you got that, Ramen guy? Well, I'll show you. Be patient. Basically, I'm making a piping bag. It's really easy if you have eyeballs. Get it? I think that'll work. Then what you do is you kind of coax that mayonnaise right to the, I guess we could call it the applicator tip. Let's see, get it started. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Look at that. Yeah, baby. Thick, luxuriant mayonnaise. And there you go. You've got yakisoba with mayo on it. We're also going to add some sesame seeds and call it a day. But yeah, I was just thinking like, man, they always show it on the package with all this mayonnaise all over it. And it's like, how do I get it on there and make it look nice? And then it just dawned on me. I had a vision. God spoke to me and he said, put the mayonnaise in the bag. So I did. Well, thanks again to the people who make the Nakama Noodles box. Go to meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. It's a wonderful thing to do. You'll be happy. And you can have yakisoba with a little chicken soup on the side. Wouldn't you like that? I think you would. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoy media noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye-bye.